Today's project, putting on the parking pole. Just received it, and basically what you need to do is remove the bumper, and you need a what is this? 55. Alright, and just like that. Pull over there, honey. Pull over there.
What do you mean?
Pull on the bumper. Softly. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bolt out. I had to go and buy a different bracket at Home Depot. This is a 3-inch bracket because the 1.5 inch would sit too low. All right, so shape the bracket, and basically the way this is gonna sit, it's gonna sit in here just like that. I had to do some molding and some modification, as you can see. So if you're here, your head is about yay, and that's the flagpole. You see it? So it's really easy to tell where that edge is. I know some people put it with the BMW facing forward. I actually don't like it. It clashes with the look of the car. So yeah, I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna impact this upcoming week. So I'm gonna leave it just for the show and then decide then. But as you can see, really clean install there.